Where are you going?
I'm going to school.
Can you jump?
Yes, I can jump high.
What is this?
This is a doll.
What are you doing?
I'm playing badminton.
What are you drawing?
I'm drawing a house.
What are you eating?
I'm eating candy.
Can you jump rope?
Yes, I can jump the rope.
Are you okay? Are you singing?
Yes, I'm singing a song.
Can you run fast?
I can run very fast.
What are you reading?
I'm reading a book.
Where are you sitting?
I'm sitting on the chair.
Who are you helping?
I'm helping my friend.
What are you cooking?
I'm cooking a cake.
Are you dancing?
Yes, I'm dancing to the music.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim in the pool.
What are you painting?
I'm painting a flower.
What are you writing?
I'm writing a letter.
Are you listening?
Yes, I'm listening carefully.
Can you climb the tree?
Yes, I can climb the tree.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike.
Who are you calling?
I'm calling my friend.
Are you laughing?
Yes, I'm laughing at the joke.
What are you buying?
I'm buying vegetables.
Are you washing your hands?
Yes, I'm washing my hands.
Where are you sleeping?
I'm sleeping on my bed.
What are you planting?
I'm planting flower.
What are you drinking?
I'm drinking milk.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for my cat.
Can you play the piano?
Yes, I can play the piano.
Are you baking cookies?
Yes, I'm baking cookies.
Are you cleaning your room?
Yes, I'm cleaning my room.
Are you watching TV?
Yes, I'm watching TV.
What are you making?
I'm making my bed.
Are you playing a game?
Yes, I'm playing a game.
Are you studying?
Yes, I'm studying for my test.
Are you watering the plants?
Yes, I'm watering the plants.
Can you tie your shoes?
Yes, I can tie my shoes.
Are you brushing your teeth?
Yes, I'm brushing my teeth.
Are you taking a bath?
Yes, I'm taking a bath.
Are you packing your bag?
Yes, I'm packing my bag.
Can you solve this puzzle?
Yes, I can solve this puzzle.
Are you putting on your jacket?
Yes, I'm putting on my jacket.
What are you studying today?
I'm studying maths today.
Can you write your name?
Yes, I can write my name.
Can you write the alphabet?
Yes, I can write the alphabet.
Are you playing cricket?
Yes, I'm playing cricket.
Can you read this comic book?
Yes, I can read this comic book.
Are you coloring the picture?
Yes, I'm coloring the picture.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.